lot of chips. You can see for this machine like how thick these chips are. And that's kind of a dull blade, but or insert I should say. Smooth. All that in there. This is kind of ridiculous. Need to make room for more chips because it's about to really get flowing. Good thing about these big chips is they don't really stick, so you can just kind of push them with your hand. But let's change a bit or the tool and let's get started. So the drilling up is now done. This is actually for my vise. This is the speed handle instead of using the big long one. So now 1/4 inch end mill. I'm going to go in and interpolate. And what that means is it actually kind of like ramps down like this. It's at 2 degrees, nothing fast or lightning speed or anything like that. Slow is fast in this case. So this is a better view at what interpolation is. It's going to get all the way down to the final depth, and then it's actually going to start hogging it out because this is a hex shape. You're going to see it here shortly. Right about now. There we go. I really need a GoPro. I'm just going to come in and do the final depth. Well, here it is. Now just to flip it over and do a chamfer. And great finish. I love this coolant. But till next time, thanks guys.